The Supreme Court rejecting arguments that could have dramatically altered election law in the country.
And WGN Shannon Halligan is here with the details for us now. Shannon?
Yeah, in a rare public comment, former President Barack Obama applauded the outcome of this ruling, saying it's a resounding rejection to the far-right theory that has been peddled by election deniers and extremists seeking to undermine our democracy. And it makes it clear that courts can continue defending voters' rights. But it's just one of several decisions that are expected to be decided by Friday. A case that threatened to radically reshape elections in the country was rejected by the Supreme Court Tuesday.
Turns out that today's ruling could have been absolutely devastating to the process of democracy as we know it.
WGN political analyst Paul Lisnek explained the decision in Moore v. Harper protects the power of checks and balances when it comes to elections.
And that would mean going forward, it would not be possible for anybody to challenge what a legislature does when it comes to voting or maps. The court rejected that theory today, truly saving the nature of our democracy as we know it and allowing state courts to continue to be a check on the laws and actions of legislatures going forward.
The White House praised the court's ruling.
So we're pleased that the Supreme Court rejected the extreme legal theory presented in this case, which would have interfered with state governments, which would have opened the door for politicians to undermine the will of the people, and would have threatened the freedom of all Americans to have their voices heard at the ballot box.
But other major rulings are expected by Friday. That includes the future of the administration's student loan forgiveness plan, a clash of religious and LGBTQ rights, and affirmative action in higher education.
It is anticipated that under this court, and the reason they took this case was because they are probably going to wipe out affirmative action. That would be a precedent of 50 plus years. But they did that last year when it came to abortion. So this is not a court that is afraid of essentially ignoring stare decisis or precedent and doing what it wants to do today because they have the conservative vote.
The Supreme Court term is up at the end of the week, so these other major cases are expected to be negotiated and decided by Friday. A lot more to be seen.
Yeah, but like Paul said, they weren't afraid last year to overturn Roe v. Wade, so there could be some big changes coming by Friday.
Yes, that is the potential.
All right, thank you.